In this video, I will show you how to create a profile display name in iMessages on iPhone. You can easily create an iMessage profile with a personalized display name. This way, when you text any stranger, they can easily recognize you. First, open Messages app on your iPhone. Now tap More icon, which is three dots with circle at the top right side. From the options, tap Setup Name and Photo. Now toggle on Name and Photo Sharing. Next, tap Name. Enter your name in the text field and tap Done. So that is how you can create a profile display name in iMessages on iPhone. If you find the video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.